Here's our place. This is Devonian Park, a dog park, right next to where I lived with Kazumi for all the years, right on the water. So Jacob and I are here in a tent. Well, he's here in a tent. I've joined him down here. I don't have my tent. I don't have my tent up. Just finished tuning my wheel. Look how this pond grows this really giant green everything. Well, oh look, there's a stork or a herring. Can't see it, but right down there. There's geese, raccoons. So we live in a beautiful place. And we're looking to get Trudy out here. I'm going to get them one more tent and a bicycle for Trudy. So I'd like them to have a really big tent together. Kind I had the 10 person. So I think we'll get that today. We're going to look for another camping spot a little further.